Today we will be seeing linear equations with 2 variables and 3 variables. So now what is exactly a linear equation, I will tell you. Now a linear equation, okay, with one variable means, like for example if I write ax plus b equal to 0, so this is a linear equation with one variable, okay. And if I write some ax plus by equal to c, this is equation with two variables, okay. This is one variable, this is two variables, and a three variable equation will be like this. Some ax plus by plus cz is equal to some d, okay. Now what are these variables means, okay, if I change the value of x, okay, this expression will change. Here the two variables are x and y, here the variables are x, y and z, okay. So here you have one variable, here you have two variables, and here you have three variables, okay. Now here indirectly the unknowns that you have in this equation is one variable, so one unknown, okay. And if you have two variables, then two unknowns in this equation, in two variable equation, and three unknowns in three variable equations, okay. So one unknown in one variable equation, two unknowns in two variable equation, three unknowns in three variable equations. Now solving these equations is important to us in physics always. So how you will solve one variable equation? First I will start with it, okay. So one variable equation, it is pretty obvious. What you are supposed to do is, if you have something of ax plus b equal to 0, then this will become ax equal to plus b when it goes to other side minus b, so you will get x equal to minus b by a. So for example, if you have 2x plus 3 equal to 0, just simply x equal to sending 3 other side, that will give you minus 3 by 2. And if you have some 5x plus 20 is equal to 0, so 5x is equal to minus 20, so x equal to 5 ones 5 fours, so that will give you minus 4, okay. So this is how you solve one variable equations. Now important part is solving two variable equations. Now how you solve two variable equations, we will see now, okay. So two variable equations is what we are going to see now, okay. So now let us say you have a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Let us say these are the two values. Now how you can solve these equations is, okay, right, what you are supposed to do for these kind of equations is, finally you are supposed to give the value of x and y. Now what you can do is, from the first equation, okay, most basic method is, okay, what you can do is, from the first equation of a1x plus b1y equal to c1, okay, you can calculate what is y in terms of x. So my point is, you can write b1y is equal to c1 minus a1x, y is equal to c1 by b1 minus a1 by b1 into x. You have got y in terms of x from equation 1. Take this and substitute in equation 2. That means I want you to substitute in a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So if you do that, you will get a2x plus b2 into y is c1 by b1 minus a1x by b1 is equal to c2. Now from this, take the terms which are common. So out of x you can take a2 minus a1 by b1 plus b2 times c1 by b1 is equal to c2. Now solve for x from this equation. That will give you the value of x, okay, because all are constants, okay. So once you get the value of x, substitute it back to get y, okay. Now I will show an application based on this, okay. So for example, if you are given, let us say the equations that are given to you are 2x plus 3y equal to 5, 5x minus 2y equal to some 7. Let us say these are the equations that are given to you. Now how you will solve x and y, solving for x and y is, okay, how you are supposed to solve for x and y is, now from equation 1 Okay, you have 2x plus 3y equal to 5. So that means 3y is 5 minus 2x. Y is 5 minus 2x by 3. So now your equation 2 is 5x minus 2y is equal to 7. So take this and substitute it here. So 5x minus 2 times y is 5 minus 2x by 3, that is equal to 7. So 3 into 5 is 15x minus 2 into 5 is 10, minus of minus plus 4x whole divided by 3, that is equal to 7. Okay, so I have just simplified it. Okay, so 3 into 5 is 15x minus 5 into 2 10, minus of minus plus 4x. So now here 15 plus 4, it is 19x minus 10 is equal to 7 3s are 21. So 19x is equal to 21 plus 10 is 31. So x equal to 31 by 19. Now take this x and back substitute it. So that give you y equal to 5 minus 2x, that is 2 times 31 by 19 whole divided by 3. 19 5s are 45, minus 31 into 2 62 by 19 into 3. Simplify, you will get whatever is the answer, that is your answer. Okay, next let us try to solve two more equations. For example, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 8. Okay, and let us say 3x minus let us say 6. No, let us not take 6. It is not 6. Let us say it is some 16y. Okay, so you have got 2x minus 58, for example. Okay, now let us say I have asked for solve for x and y. Okay, now how you can solve this equation is, okay, from first equation 2x minus 4y is minus 8. So from here 4y is equal to 2x plus 8, sending same side terms. Okay, or else you can write minus 8 minus 2x, that is up to you. I have brought 4y to the right and 2x and 8 to the left, so that will give you y is equal to 2x plus 8 by 4. Taking 2 common, that will give you 2 times x plus 4 by 4, 2 1s 2 2s, so that will give you x plus 4 by 2. So your y value is x plus 4 by 2. Now 3x minus 16y is equal to minus 58. So 3x minus 16 into value of y is x plus 4 by 2, that is equal to minus 58. Now from here 2 1s 2 8s you can do. So that will give you 3x minus 8 times x plus 4 is equal to minus 58. So 3x minus 8x minus 32 is equal to minus 58. Now 3x minus 8x is minus 11x equal to, this will become 32 minus 58. So minus 6. I hope I did not do anywhere anything wrong. So this is 26, I suppose. Minus 26 is minus 11x, x equal to 26 by 11. Wait, hold on. So I think I have done any calculation mistake. No, 4y is equal to 2x plus 8. 4 minus 12 minus 8. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 48. Okay, correct. So now this is 26 by 11. Substitute it back, you will get the answer. Okay, right? So you will get the value of y. Now method 2. Okay, in method 2 what we will do is we will multiply equation with proper coefficients to simplify. So the method 2 is, if you have a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Okay, so to get x, okay, multiply with some term which makes coefficients of x same. So what I mean is, okay, to get x, what you can do is, okay, here coefficient of y is b2, here coefficient of y is b1. So to get equal coefficients, okay, what you can do is multiply this equation with b2, multiply bottom equation with b1. So if that is the case, b2 times, okay, b2 times a1x plus b1 b2 y is equal to b2 into c1, and in this case b1 a2x plus b1 b2 y is equal to b1 into c2. Now if you subtract these two, plus minus will cancel off, so you will get x times b2 a1 minus b1 a2 is equal to b2 c1 minus b1 c2. So finally your x is b2 c1 minus b1 c2 by whole divided by b2 a1 minus b1 a2. So this is your value of x. Similarly, to get value of y, okay, multiply coefficients of x to the equations, then you will get the answer. Okay, so now we will apply this to some basic questions. Okay, let us say you have, okay, let us say your equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Now in the first method, what you do is, like in method 1, okay, from equation 1 express y in terms of x, okay, express y in terms of x, and then bring that and substitute in second equation, then you will solve. Okay, now coming to second method, what you are going to do is, okay, to get x, okay, bring coefficients of y to be same. So what I will do is 2x plus 3y equal to 5, I will multiply with minus 1, and 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1, I will multiply with equation 1. So that this equation is going to become minus 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 5, and the second equation, equation 2, will become 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1, or else you can directly add them, no issues. Okay, so minus 3y, subtract minus plus minus plus, so that will give you minus 6 is equal to minus 4x. I think I have done anything wrong. Minus 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. So subtracting minus 4x, wait, I should get 2 plus 3 is 5, x and y both is supposed to be 1, sorry, this will become plus 1. So minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4, x is 1. Okay, take this and substitute in one of the equations, that will give you the answer.